Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with the personalization. We have to open the settings and right here let's scroll all the way down actually to find Google services. Then let's tap on all services here and scroll to find ads. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically removing it will not limit the amount of the advertisements you're receiving. However, they will not be that much personalized for you, so they will not show you the things which you've previously looked for, etc. So first of all, simply tap on Reset Advertising ID and tap on Confirm, and then tap on Delete Advertising ID. And as you can see, it will be removed. Another thing which is useful is to set the private DNS. And let's go to the settings to do that. Right here we have to find Network and Internet. And here we've got something called private DNS, so tap on it. Basically, and usually we've got it set on automatic option, but I highly recommend to tap on private DNS. And here in this section, simply enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And thanks to it, your device will limit the advertisements. And now two advices which are more obvious, I would say, but I think they are worth saying. So go to the Play Store, tap on search right here, and enter Adblock, because sometimes we actually forget about it. But nowadays, after entering the Adblock, we can find really a huge amount of ad blocks. Some are better, some are worse, but they can be, for example, for the specific app, you can find also the blocker of the whole content, etc. So I really highly recommend to go through this list and downloading the ad blocks which might be helpful for you. So they for sure will limit the advertisements. And another thing which I highly recommend to do is to actually try to replace the apps which you've got and which are showing you notifications, which are showing you advertisements, with others. So just for example, I've got a file manager, a third-party file manager, which is showing me a lot of advertisements. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter the Play Store here, search for file manager, and try to find a proper app which will not show me the advertisements. Of course, try to find those which are the highest rating, thanks to which you will be sure that it is a safe application. Moreover, you can try to limit the notifications. So for example, let's pretend that I'm getting a lot of advertisements from Play Store. All you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, I mean on the app which is showing you a lot of notifications, and go to this info icon. Now go to notifications, and as you can see here, we've got those alerts and we've got different categories of notifications. And what I highly recommend to do is to actually try to find anything connected with the advertisement. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher to turn off the notifications from this category. Or if the notifications from those apps are not essential for you, you can actually turn off all of the notifications just by tapping on the switcher at the very top, and your device will block the notifications from this particular app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.